Hello everyone, this is a little lesson on how to use Google Drive. So to get started, you need to have the right web browser. You need to choose the Google Chrome, not Safari, not Explorer. It has to be Google Chrome. That's the whole point for getting started. So then you're going to launch from Google. So let's just go to our main page. So we're familiar with that one. Something we might not have noticed in the corner before was these little squares in the corner. So that's where we're going to be going, but we need to start by signing in. Now, everyone at St. Ambrose School, and anyone in the district actually, has a learn.cssd.ab.ca account. So yours will be something like A. Bohachak or Amber B2 at learn.cssd.ab.ca. So pick that one and type in your password. Yours is going to be 000 and then whatever your student ID number is. So it should be 6 or 7 numbers. Mine is something else, so I'm just going to type it in. So you sign in with your Learn account. And now you have access to your Drive. So if you want to start a brand new document or Google Slides presentation or check your mail, this is where you go. So to take a look at Google Drive, okay, you can see what you've got in there. At the very beginning, nothing. After some time, you'll build up some files. So let's say your teacher says, write an essay. Okay, so you're going to click New, Google Docs. Okay, and the very first thing you want to do is title what you're doing here. So it will have your name on it, but you would want to put the assignment, like Science 7 Debate Essay, for example. Okay, then it's a really good idea to title your assignment. Okay, and it doesn't hurt to put your name somewhere in the middle here, date. Okay, making it easy to find, you add this little star. So that's going to make it one of your favorites. It's going to make it very easy to find. So when you check it out later, it's actually in the starred section. So we'll take a look at that at the end. So go ahead and click star. And next, let's say you need to hand it in, or it's a group project and you want to work on something together. You're going to click share. And you're going to type in your group members. So let's say I'm working with myself. Okay, you start typing in their name and you can share with those people. Okay, or let's say I want to share with Miss Campbell. Okay, it starts typing in her name. And so I just click enter. Okay, and I can add more people, whoever I want. And right here, putting can edit is so they can actually type on the document, and then viewing doesn't have a lot of use. Can edit is the way to go, even for your teachers, so they can make changes. Then you're going to click send. Okay, I'm just going to cancel, but you hit send, and then done. So now your teacher and your classmates have access to the document. One other neat little tidbit while we're here for getting started is if you really like to speak more than you like to type, there's tools and you can use voice typing. So how this works is you click this button and it usually will start typing for you. Then you want to stop and go ahead and fix your grammar and spelling, especially if you have difficulty speaking clearly. Then the computer can't always hear what you're saying. Or if the class is noisy, for example, you might need to do more editing. See, there's a 94 in there. Okay, so you go through after and edit. Right, you don't want to put for example, there you go. Okay, so that's the most important things right off the bat to get started with Google Docs. Okay, let's move on to Google Slides, which is something else we use on a regular basis. So there's a couple different ways of getting there and organizing your files. I like to just go straight here. Slides. New presentation is nice. Okay, again, start with titling. And this part I think you're more familiar with. So we're just going to stop there. Thank you very much.